So the first method of drawing, you're going to catch the hammer with your thumb as you draw. This allows the cylinder to turn while the gun is still in the holster. Now your hip's going to come forward as you draw. The second method of shooting, you're going to pinch with your forefinger and thumb to cock the gun. Your forefinger will contact the handle and your thumb the hammer. In this method, the cylinder rotates as the gun leaves the holster. So it's a little bit faster, but it's not as accurate as the previous method.
I'm going to show you how to do thumbing. Put this one, ready to shoot. And put the square towards the target. And use the thumb to prove, cock, aim. Okay, I'm going to do faster this time.
Hey.